how to turn this into this. Hey guys, welcome back to Hunt Shoot Off Road, and I thought today I would do a quick video on how to turn this clock into something a little better for the reloading room. I had a look at my videos and I feel like there's some dead space up here, this door window, so probably cover that up, and when we get the finished product I can put this U-View clock up there, so when I'm reloading I can keep an eye on the time, do some testing on how long it takes me to do some things, and just sort of would be a bit of fun and something you guys could do at home as well. So make sure you hit the subscribe button now, hit that bell so you can get notified of when the next videos, and let's get stuck straight into it. Okay, I think it's a pretty easy operation. We're going to be using, I think, a pair of scissors, possibly a Phillips head screwdriver. I haven't opened up the clock yet. Look, this is just a clock off of IKEA. I think it cost around $8, maybe as much as 15, I can't remember. Obviously you can go to Kmart or any good store that sells cheap clocks. Got some hardcore MTN spray paint. This is in Rambo Green, which is obviously a fantastic military style colour. Hardcore, this is the Vandal's Choice. Don't even ask me why I've got it. We've got some classic Aussie Export gloss black. Now I would recommend getting the matte black or the satin black. It's a better finish, and it actually, when you spray it on, leaves a much better coating. Doesn't run as much, dries quicker, less runs and streaks, all that sort of stuff like that. So I had this kicking around, so I wasn't about to go and get some more. And then obviously whatever you want to use on your background. So I've got this target that when I did my 223 load development, so I thought that's going to look a hell of a lot better than just this boring old white background. So wrong screwdriver. Need a flat. Just find the center so we can make the hole for the hands. Got the worst tool for the hole. Probably should have just shot another bullet through there. Get like a 30 cal air rifle or something. Would have been the best. Just check that for perfect. I'll have to trim a little bit extra off. Oh, I just shifted it. There we go. We've got about 5 mil of edge. Okay, so I've painted the thing. Just got some double-sided tape here. It's probably a bit too thick because I have to be mindful of the thickness of the paper plus the double-sided tape. That the clock hands aren't going to scrub out on the paper, but I don't have any other double-sided tape, so we'll just have to see how this goes and take it from there. This is like super sticky, high quality double-sided tape that I bought to fix the rifle mounts to the dash. So I don't think they're coming off the dash. Wow, that was difficult. That's not sure if you can see that in there. 3M extreme mounting tape, Scotch. You could probably stick the kids to the wall with that. That took me forever. Okay, so we're going to just double check for the top of the clock. Make sure I'm going to line it up with the holes for the... Oh, just nearly stuck it upside down. That would have been horrible. Okay, try and put these hands back on, hopefully. Just gonna bend that arm up a bit. I'm thinking I probably should have sprayed the hands silver, but I'm not going to pull it apart again because I think it's still readable. So just going to give the underside of the glass a quick wipe down. It's been moved a few times, so it's got fingerprints all over it. Well guys, that's it. You can see it up on the wall there. Now you'll know what time I make these videos, how late it actually always is. It's never during the day. So look, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that knockout bell so that you get notified of the next video, and make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Any questions, hit us up in the comments below, and just remember, get out there, have fun, smash them big bores, and until next time, see you later.